All right, this is a drag for a actually to smooth the road. I'm adding some C-channel here, and I've got a Harbor Freight Chicago Electric welder, MIG welder, which I changed to DC. It's not quite enough to penetrate in this like it should, but my 250 amp welder is not hooked up yet, so I'm going to try this. I can always go back later and go through it. Anyway, it splatters a little less. You see what's going on here with this weld. And this thing, as soon as you turn it on, the tip is hot. Well, as weld goes, that's pretty ugly, but it might hold. I'll go over it a couple more times. That's about as ugly a weld you're ever going to see. Okay, here's a weld with that Harbor Freight welder. Okay, this is what a weld looks like that I did with the Miller MIG welder with shielding gas, the whole 9 yards. Big difference.